Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my reaction. How you guys doing today? I really do appreciate. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I also want to say thank you so much for the Christina Aguilera fans who come back to my channel, watch and comment and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Someone sent me a link to react to her Dirty Vanity and Express Lady Marmalade live in Amsterdam. They sent me a link to this live performance. I really do like it. A lot of people I know comment on Twitter and like Instagram and stuff, make it seems like I hate her or don't like her. I'm like, I've never said that. They said the same thing about the Britney Spears performance with Christina, Britney Spears, and Madonna. They did. Some people were very, very mad at me. Said, "Oh my God, you're paying attention to more the people in the audience. You're not. What about Britney Spears?" I was like, Christina Aguilera and Madonna. They got really offended by what I said, and I was like, I watch a performance over and over. I really do think Christina Aguilera is a better performer within that performance, and I really do like Christina Aguilera performance. I think she's a very good performer. I've never said anything about any of those ladies. It's just that that's what I want to see. And so this person sent me this video to react to, so thank you so much for that. So let's get started because I want to see what she's going to be giving me. Because some of these female artists today can't ever give you some of these performances, and they get mad when you talk about them. Do your job. Oh, that was so hot.
Too dirty to clean my ass. You ain't dirty. You ain't here to party.
Right? Oh, I like her thickness. Oh, come on. Yes. Okay. What, Miss Thing? Arr. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Christina. Oh, I want to go to her concert now. Oh, the X Tina. Oh, what song is this? Is this vibing? Yes! On the wall, who's a Pharisee? Yes! Yes. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Oh. Okay. Oh, she's hot. Like ghost sisters.
Stream live TV from 85 plus top channels, including your favorites.
Soul sister. She better twerk. Okay. Oh, who's that dread? Oh, oh, who's that in the back? Those men in the back. Twerk! Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, that was everything I expected. Everything that I expected. I just love the fact how thick she looks in this video. Thank God. Oh, I live for it. How full she is. I'm all for thickness. I love it. And she still have her shape. I mean, she was hitting the gym for this tour. Thanks to the one who left me this link for this performance over and over. I said over and over, I do love Christina Aguilera as a singer and a performer. She has it. My thing though, I don't really see her perform too much at award shows. Like those VMAs and those awards, unless from what I can recall, I don't really see her perform live too much in award shows. I really don't know the politics or how to go behind those, but I really do enjoy it. Like I said over and over, I really do like Christina. I really do think she's really good, and I can't wait for this coronavirus to be over. I don't mind going to her concert. I need to get on my discography and songs so when I go there, I know what I'm listening to, or so I can sing along. So I really do appreciate it. This is very good. This was so much what I expected. So much what I expected. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can you decide to. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.